friends, welcome back to our channel. Before moving to video, do subscribe our channel for more interesting videos. Today we will learn about cooking phrasal verbs. Whip up. To quickly prepare a meal or dish. Boil over. When a liquid in a pot overflows because it's boiling. Slice up. To cut something, usually vegetables or meat, into thin slices. Mix in. To combine ingredients into a mixture. Fry up. To cook something in hot oil. Simmer down. To reduce the heat when cooking to a low simmer. Stir in. To mix an ingredient into a dish by stirring. Grill up. To cook on a grill, often used for barbecue. Scoop out. To remove something from a container using a scoop. Mash up. To crush or blend ingredients until they are smooth. Chop up. To cut something into small irregular pieces. Dish out. To serve food onto plates or dishes. Sprinkle on. To add a small amount of something on top of a dish. Toss together. To mix ingredients by tossing or stirring them. Take out. To remove food from an oven or refrigerator, often for serving or further preparation. Our channel, hit the bell icon to never miss any update. Thank you so much for watching.